Hello, my name is Rick here at Inside IG. Today we're going to do a short video on calibrating the Model 3150 portable suspended solids meter. There are 4 modes of calibration. There's a standard default that we load here at the factory. You can return to that at any time if your calibration gets way off. Then there's a zero calibration, what we call a snapshot, and then a sensor span. The first step to do the calibration is to do the sensor zero. All you need to do this is a container of clean water. You can do it in the lab at the bench. You don't have to be out in the field to do this. You just simply put the sensor in the clean water, let it sit for a couple of seconds to stabilize the temperature. And what you're trying to do is make sure no air bubbles form on it. And then just kind of gently swish it around a little bit. And then with the unit on, you would just come through and hit the menu button. Scroll down to setup, press enter. Scroll down to calibration, press enter. Scroll down to sensor zero, press enter. And it's going to come up with a message that says put the sensor in clean water, then press enter. We're already in clean water, so you would press enter. It's going to come up and say acquiring data. And this is going to take approximately 15 seconds. What it's doing is it's taking a whole bunch of samples and then averaging them together so you get nice clean signal. So it's stored to zero. That's all there is to do in the zero. Now we just menu our way out, back to the run mode, press enter. It comes up zero. The next step in the calibration is to do a snapshot. To do that, turn the unit on, press the menu button, scroll down to setup, press enter, scroll down to calibration, press enter, scroll down to snapshot, press enter, and it says press enter to take a snapshot. At that point, put the sensor down in the process. And then press enter. It's going to say acquiring data. It's going to take about 15 seconds. And then it's going to come back to the menu mode. At that point, you're done with the snapshot. Pull your physical sample, take it into the lab to be analyzed. The final step in doing the calibration is to do the sensor span. Once you've gotten your lab results back from the sample we took earlier when we did the snapshot, then you'll just go to the union, turn it on, press menu, scroll down to setup, press enter. Scroll down to calibration, press enter. Scroll down to sensor span, press enter. And it's going to come up with the number that it thought it was when you took the snapshot. All you have to do at this point is use the up-down arrow keys to make it agree with the result that the lab came back. So you just move it up and down until it gets to where it needs to be, press enter. It'll say storing, and then you're done. You press menu, go back to run, select enter, and you're back in the run mode. That's all there is to it.